Okay, you guys, so we actually have 2 racks right here of bacon spread out. That was the whole pack. So the first thing we're gonna do is spread some of this brown sugar on top, and this is the light brown sugar, so that way it doesn't burn. And don't worry about the chunks, we can fix that in a second. Right now I'm just trying to get the sugar on top. So now I can go in and, you know, just make sure that the brown sugar gets on all of the pieces. Got both the racks down with that, with some black pepper. And we're just gonna do a light little dusting, y'all. Okay, once I get this pepper on here, caramelized onion butter. Oh yes, y'all. So why not add some more caramelization seasoning on top, right? So let's go ahead and add some of that. I'm gonna add some smoked paprika on here. I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes because Daddy doesn't like his bacon that crispy. We're gonna get it nice and golden brown, keep an eye on it, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, you guys, so this is how the bacon is looking so far, but I'm gonna flip it one time just to make sure it gets done on the other side, and then we're gonna put it back in there for 7 minutes, y'all, and then we're gonna take it out. And really quick, you see how white this bacon is? That means because it's real fatty. That's the way Daddy likes it. So that means it's gonna be nice and tender and soft, y'all. The more red, the more tougher, but the more whiter, the more flavorful and more fattier that bacon is, gonna render more nicely.